Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to solve this problem to sum. So this is a very first problem of lead code, and in previous video we have already solved this problem, remove duplicates from sorted array. So in this video we will first see the brute force approach of this problem, and then we will move to its optimal solution. So as you can see the problem, to some given an array of integer nums and integer target. So you are given an array of integer nums and target value. You have to find index of the values that sum equals to target. So these are some examples given by the lead code, and you can see the related topics. This is array and hash table. So first we will see the brute force approach of this problem. So let's move to our. So this is our example array. So you can see this is an array nums, which is 2, 7, 11, and 15, and target is 9. So you have to find the indexes of the uh, element, which whose sum are equals to 9. So if you carefully see the array, and if you take two pointer, the first one is I, and if you initialize it with 0, so wait a minute. Let me open. And so if you initialize, yeah, if you initialize it with I, and initialize j with I plus 1, that is 7, and if you add this 2 and 7, which is equals 9, so 2 plus 7 will be equals to 9. So this is our target value. This is equals to our target value. So we have to simply return the indices of this element, which will be 0 and 1. So you have to return it in an array. The problem, you can see here return type is int. So you have to return these values in this array. So first we will solve using brute force approach. So we will take two for loop, iterate through the array. The first one will be from I is equal to 0, and the second one will be j is equal to I plus 1. So less than length minus 1, I plus plus for j is equal to I plus 1, j is less than dot length j plus plus. So we will check if nums of j not I. If nums of j equals to target minus nums of I, then we will simply return new int. We will return an array of I and j. So if our j is equals to target minus nums of I. So our in this example target is 9 and nums of I. If we start I is equal to 0, so nums of I will be this 2, target minus nums of I. Target is 9 and nums of I is equal to 2. So 9 minus 2, let me write this. So nums of j is here 7 because we have initialized j with I plus 1. So 7 is 7 equals to 9 minus 2. Yes, true. So 9 minus, sorry, not 1. This is true. So this is true. So we will return an array, new array, which is of indexes I and j. So which will return 0 and 1. And at last we will return an empty array, new int. Uh, let's run this. Uh, Now you can see this is accepted. Now submit the problem. You can see runtime is very high. So now we will see optimal version. Sorry for uh, for optimal version. We have to create a hash map, and we will first store all the values in hash map of type integer and integer. So uh, after the creating the hash map, we will iterate through the hash map and we will check if hazmap dot contains key. Hazmap dot contains key is equals to that indexes, then we will check this condition. If this is true, then we will be returning the indexes, which will be in again new array. So now let's move. So let me comment this first. So this will be group force approach. Now we will see optimal approach using as first we have to create a hash map. So first we will create a hash map of type map integer comma integer hm is equal to new hash map. So we have created our hash map, and now add all these values of this nums array into the hash map. So for I is less than nums dot length I plus plus. So we will put hm dot nums of I, and this its index. So we will add this nums of I. We will first add 2, 7, 11, and 15, and along with their indexes. So after adding all the values, we will again take a for loop. I greater 0, I is less than nums dot length I plus plus. We will create a variable num, which contains nums of I, and we will again create another variable which is remaining. So we will calculate target minus num. So which is target minus nums of I. Now we will check if hm dot contains key of remain. If this is true, and we will create an integer index hm dot get of rem, and if index is equals I, we will return new int array of I and index. So this will return. So this will return integer array of indexes I and index. So if index equals I, we will simply continue, and we will return new int array. Now we will return new int. Now let's run this. Here will be integer and target minus rate. Let's run this again. Add operand type for binary operator. Oh, this will be num, not nums. Now let's submit this. Now you can see our runtime becomes 4 ms. In our brute force approach, this was 84 ms. That's it for today. Please click like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.